What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Apollo, a money clip I picked up from andarwallets.com for $59. Out of 5 stars, the Apollo gets 5 out of 5 stars out of 946 customer reviews. This wallet does come in 6 different colorways: tan, saddle brown, dark brown, which we have in front of us here today, black, olive gray, and cork. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of the Apollo and say good riddance to pocket bulge. That's right, I actually have a designer wallet here by a brand I'm pretty sure all of you are aware of. However, these wallets tend to run a little bit on the larger size, originally to accommodate European-sized currency. Here in the United States, obviously, European currency is of no use unless, of course, you exchange it for US currency. So with that being said, I figured it was about time to cut down on the bulky wallet and all of the things that I have in it. Also, I just started a new job recently, and having a bulky wallet in my pockets is a little bit of an inconvenience just due to the fact that I do carry a lot of things in my pockets, like pens and keys, for example. Also, I don't need to be at work with a flashy, expensive designer wallet, so I figured this Apollo wallet by Andar Wallets would fit me well. This wallet is also RFID protected out of materials used to block RFID frequencies. Let's go ahead and start off with the unboxing and first impressions, and stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to do a comparison between the Apollo and the designer wallet in my pocket so you can get a good idea of how much thinner this wallet is than the designer wallet. Stay tuned. So Andar Wallets was kind enough to send me their Apollo wallet. From reviews online, this wallet does get rave reviews, and I'm pretty sure we get a couple of extra little goodies in the bag that you would normally get with a designer wallet. For example, if you actually look at the back of the box here, you can see that it is dark brown, and then you can pretty much just pull off this plastic wrap here, which is super easy to do, and you're greeted by just a pretty basic cardboard box that does say Andar on the front and the Apollo on the front. You can tell by this wallet some of the features that it comes with. I believe there is some kind of pull tab feature that allows you to store cards in here and then use the pull tab to sort of, you do get a really nice greeting card at the top here, welcoming you into the Andar community, and a nice thank you note as well. And then, like I said, one of the things that you get with designer wallets is a little dust bag. So if you do want to store this wallet in a drawer or something, the stitching looks pretty seamless. It looks pretty good, to be honest with you. You do get a nice sort of silver money clip in the middle there. It's sort of a lockdown, snap down mechanism. It's really kind of confidence inspiring and easy to use. What I really like about this money clip piece is it's actually a solid piece of metal that you can remove. If you really want to cut down on the amount of bulk in your pocket, you could theoretically remove this piece. You would theoretically, I think, put the money in right side up like this. But if you actually look at the logo, the Andar wallet is flipped upside down, which is kind of fascinating. Perhaps they want you to use the wallet this way. Maybe it's a little bit easier that way. But then again, I think maybe if you're trying to put money in or take money out, you might actually accidentally pull this pin out. For the most part, yeah, you should be able to get at least 6 cards in this wallet without overstuffing it. Now, I will say this about the 2 inside pockets here. It's that they are kind of tight, actually. These are also wide enough pockets, I would believe, to be able to stuff a couple of more cards in there. For example, if I put this bank card in here, as you can see, 2 cards fit perfectly fine in these inside slots. As you can see here, that ID slot is a really nice ID slot. And then on the front of the wallet here, you do get another slot, which, like I said, what I really like about this front slot is there's a nice little opening at the front, so you can just sort of push the card out as you need to. I would actually like to see maybe 3 or 4 slots here. There's quite a bit of extra space here between these 2 slots and where your money should go. What I'm going to do is I am pretty much going to stuff this wallet to the brim. I'm actually going to place all of the cards that I have on the table inside this wallet, and then we're going to do a comparison. Let's go ahead and maybe just put the Apollo wallet in the pocket here and see how it fares. As you can see, you really don't get a whole lot of bulk, and also it has a smaller footprint, like I said, compared to the designer wallet here, which as you can see has a much larger footprint. I'll go ahead and do a bit of a comparison here to show you the difference between the footprints of each. And just imagine if you actually had cards and money in the designer wallet. Anyways guys, that is going to do it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Apollo money clip I picked up from andarwallets.com for $59. Out of 5 stars, this wallet gets 5 out of 5 out of 946 customer reviews. Here in front of us today, I have the dark brown wallet. You can also find it in 5 other colorways, including a really cool tan sort of cork material that I actually really want to get my hands on. This wallet is thin and trim. It is a money clip. You can hold up to about 6 cards, including an ID. It has its own ID card slot, which I showed you earlier. And it has a really cool convenience feature where you can access your favorite card right from the front of your wallet without having to even open it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and first impressions. My name is John. There are plenty of more videos like this on the channel for you to check out should you be interested in something other than a wallet. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe for more content like this. I will see you in the next video.